Get ready to elevate your health and delight your taste buds as we explore the wonderful world of dates. These small but mighty fruits are packed with flavor and nutrients, offering a natural way to satisfy your sweet cravings and boost your well-being. Imagine enjoying a treat that not only tastes good but also enhances your energy, supports your heart, and strengthens your brain and bones. In this video, we'll delve into the incredible benefits of adding dates to your daily diet. We'll look at their nutritional profile, their role in improving digestion, and how they can help increase your energy levels. Dates are more than just a superfood. They're a daily delight you won't want to miss. Join us as we uncover the simple yet powerful impact dates can have on your health and why they should be part of your everyday routine. Boosts heart health. These sweet delights are fierce warriors for your heart. Dates are loaded with flavonoids, which are potent plant compounds known to decrease heart disease risk. Enjoying a few dates each day is a tasty and easy way to support heart health. They also act as a natural preventative measure against diseases that lead to artery wall thickening and hardening. Their natural sweetness offers a healthier snack alternative to high-fat and sugary foods. This can indirectly aid in weight management and reducing heart disease risk. Energizes the body. Dates are the ultimate energy boosters. Forget your morning caffeine boost, grab a handful of dates instead. Packed with natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, they provide a quick and sustained energy lift. Athletes often enjoy dates after workouts or long periods of exertion to speed up recovery. Dates are also low in fat and contain a small amount of protein, making them the ideal snack for an instant energy lift. Stabilizes blood sugar. Despite their sweetness, dates have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sharp insulin spikes like refined sugars. Even diabetics who carefully monitor their blood sugar levels can benefit from dates in moderation. The fiber content in dates slows down digestion, providing a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Lowers blood pressure. Dates are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium also helps relieve muscle pain and fatigue. A single medjool date can contain nearly 160 milligrams of potassium. The high fiber content in dates also contributes to their blood pressure-lowering benefits. The effectiveness of natural foods in treating high blood pressure is so significant that even Harvard University published recommendations for managing it without medication, and dates were included on the list. Glowing skin. Dates are loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids, which can improve skin elasticity and nourish underlying tissues. This results in softer, smoother skin. Dates also contain vitamin B5, which helps prevent skin problems like stretch marks. Being rich in antioxidants, dates can effectively fight harmful free radicals in your body, preventing premature aging. Vitamin C, also present in dates, helps reduce wrinkles by fighting oxidation. Promotes healthy hair. Strong, healthy hair requires proper nutrition. Regularly adding dates into your diet can help. Dates are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B5, which is crucial for healthy hair growth. Deficiency in this vitamin can lead to problems like hair loss, breakage, and split ends. Eating dates regularly can help minimize these issues. Share your tips for natural hair care in the comments below. Benefits pregnant women. Many pregnant women believe that dates can naturally induce labor and ease delivery complications. A study found that pregnant women who ate dates daily in the weeks leading up to their due date were more likely to have a natural labor without needing medical intervention compared to those who didn't eat dates. Eating dates in late pregnancy has also been shown to lessen the need for oxytocin, the medication used to start or speed up labor. So, for the expecting mothers out there, incorporating dates into your daily diet might just make your labor experience a bit sweeter and smoother. Supports a healthy nervous system. The nervous system helps all the parts of the body to communicate with each other. Dates, rich in essential vitamins, benefit both the central and peripheral nervous systems. The abundant potassium in dates also helps improve cognitive function and alertness. Remember, potassium is an essential element in your cells and body fluids, and it also helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, further protecting you from heart disease and stroke. Relieves constipation. We all know fiber is important, but did you know dates are fiber-rich, aiding in digestion and promoting gut health? Just 2 dates provide about 3 grams of fiber, making them a tasty tool for a happy gut. Most of the fiber in dates is insoluble, ensuring your digestive tract runs smoothly. Their effectiveness as a natural constipation remedy is supported by research, highlighting their role in promoting digestive health. Plus, all that fiber keeps you feeling satisfied longer, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Improves brain function. Dates are packed with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin B6, contributing to improved brain function. These components help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Sciences suggests that dates can enhance memory and learning while reducing anxiety. So, next time you have a big presentation or a study session coming up, ditch the energy drinks and grab a handful of dates. They're not just delicious, they're student-approved brain food. Protects your eyesight. Dates contain compounds that can help prevent age-related eye diseases. Studies have shown that dates are a good source of carotenoids, which can repair eye tissue and have antioxidant properties. Plus, they can also be helpful in preventing cataracts and macular degeneration in older people. Strengthens bones. Not getting enough vitamin D can negatively impact bone health. Dates can help. They are a natural source of essential minerals like magnesium, manganese, and copper, vital for bone strength and density. Research indicates that these minerals contribute to bone health, potentially preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, dates can help ease stiffness and joint pain. Keeps you feeling full. Dates are rich in insoluble fiber, particularly pectin. This type of fiber attracts water, increasing the volume of contents in your stomach, which takes longer to digest and keeps you feeling fuller for a longer period. Incorporating dates into your daily routine is simple and delicious. From snacking on fresh dates to blending them into smoothies, or enriching your meals with their natural sweetness, there are endless ways to enjoy their benefits. They can be a game changer in your diet, offering not just taste but also a wealth of health benefits. How do you enjoy dates in your meals or snacks? Do you have a favorite date recipe or a creative way to include them in your diet? Share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below.